everyone, you're going to need a few things to help you with maths today. So you're going to need some different sets of objects. So I've got some bananas and some oranges and some knives and some forks. So have a look around your house and see what you can get. We're going to need those in a few minutes. But first, we're going to warm our brains up and have a look at reading some numerals and some number words. So when I flash you them, I want you to say them with me. Shall we go? 9. 3, 1, 1, 2, 8, 6, 10, 4, 3, 9, and 2. Well done. If you want to have a go at making some of those up and then you can flash them and try and read them, that would be great. Show me what you can do. So now we've had a little bit of looking at some numbers, we're going to go back to our ordinal numbers. So I've got some packs here of some numbers and I want you to see if you can find which one is missing. I will show you them on here and I will read you them as well, and then you need to spot which number is missing. So let's check. So the numbers that I've got is 1, I've got 0, I've got 4, and I've got 2. So I'm going to look at my numbers I've got here. So I'm going to say those again. 1, 0, 4, and 2. Let's have a look if we're putting them in the correct order, which is the smallest number that I'm showing you. Correct, you should say that the smallest number is 0, so that one needs to go first. So which number comes after 0? Let's have a look. So the number that comes after 0 is 1. Well done. Which number is 1 more than 1? 2. Brilliant. The other number I've got left is 4, so I'll place that at the end. But which number is missing? So I'll say them again. I've got 0, 1, 2 and 4. I think there's a number missing here. Which number comes after 2 and before 4? Have a little think. Which number comes after 2 and before 4? You should have said the number 3. So this should have been your number sequence. So let's check it. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you say that with me? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done if you got that correct. I've got another one now, a bit more challenging, with another number that is missing. So let's read the digits on these cards. So I have got the number 3, 1, 2, 0 and 5. So let's say them again. I've got 3, 1, 2, 0 and 5. Which is the smallest number that I have got here? You should have said that the smallest number is 0, so that one needs to be first. Which number comes after 0 out of my remaining digits? Is it 3, 1, 2 or 5? Well done. 1 comes after 0. Which number comes next? Fabulous. 2 comes after 1. Which number comes after 2? Is it 3 or is it 5? Is it 3 or is it 5? It's 3. Well done. So my last number is 5. Looks like I'm missing a number here. Which number comes before 5 and after 3? Before 5 and after 3. Well done if you got that that number is 4. Superb. I've got one more pack for you to help me with. And these numbers don't start at 0 or 1, so have a little think when I'm reading them, which is the smallest number. So I've got this number, which is 5, 4, 7, and 3. So let's check them again. 5, 4, 7, and 3. So having a look here, which is the smallest number this time? Have a look. I agree, the smallest number is 3, so this needs to go first. Which number then comes after 3? It is 4. Well done. What's 1 more than 4? Is it 5 or is it 7? 5. So the other number I've got is 7. 3, 4, 5 and 7. What number's missing here? 3, 4, 5, 7. Have a think which number comes after 5 and before 7. Well done if you said the number 6. So this is what your sequence should be. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Well done if you got that correct. So today, like I said, we're going to be doing some addition. So you need 2 different groups of objects. So I today have got some bananas and some oranges. Okay, so if you can get 2 groups of objects for me now, that would be really helpful because I want you to join in with what I am doing. They don't have to be bananas and oranges. Just see what you've got around the house. It might be knives and forks. It might be 2 different types of toys. It might be some teddies and some cars, whichever ones you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to move my oranges to the side just to start with, and I'm just going to have a look at my bananas first. Okay, so I'm going to use these to have a go at adding different amounts together, and today I'm going to add 2 different amounts together to make one whole. So I'm going to start first by having 1 banana here. I'm going to have 1 banana plus 1 more banana, and together the whole is 2. So I'll show you that again. I've got 1 banana here plus 1 banana, so the whole is 2. Can you have a go at doing that with your objects? So 1 banana plus 1 banana, the whole is 2. Well done. I'm going to bring my other banana in there now. So I think I'm going to do it like this. So this time I've got 2 bananas plus 1 banana, and the whole amount is 3. I'll show you that again. You can join in with your objects as well. So now I've got 2 bananas plus 1 banana, so the whole amount is 3. Make sure you're saying those sentences with me as well, because that phraseology will really help you grasp this concept. I've got some bananas, but now I'm going to introduce my other fruit that I've got, so I'm going to get some oranges now. Okay, so now I'm going to use these bananas and these oranges. So let's check how many of each I have got. So first I've got 1, 2, 3 bananas. So I can say that there are 3 bananas. Make sure you've got 3 of your objects. Then I'm going to get my other amount here, and I've got 1, 2 oranges. Okay, so here there are 3 bananas plus 2 oranges. So I'll say that again. I've got 3 bananas plus 2 oranges, and when I put them together I find the whole. Let's count how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say that my whole is 5. So now if I was saying that number sentence again, I'd say that 3 bananas plus 2 oranges equals the whole, which is 5. Watch me. 3 bananas plus 2 oranges equals the whole, that is 5. Well done if you followed that. I'm going to do it a bit differently this time. I'm going to put some bananas away, get some more oranges. Okay, so we've got some different amounts now. So here I've got 1 banana, okay? So the first part I've got is 1. So 1 banana plus, let me count how many oranges. 1, 2, 3. So 3 oranges. So 1 banana plus 3 oranges. Can you have a go at saying that with me? 1 banana plus 3 oranges. I'm going to push those together and make my whole the equal amount. So I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the whole amount I've got together is 4. So watch this again. I've got 1 banana plus 3 oranges, and together the equal amount is 4. Can you say that with me? I have 1 banana plus 3 oranges, so together the equal amount is 4. Well done if you're keeping up with this. I'm going to do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to start with my oranges first. and then get my bananas afterwards. So my first part is oranges and then it's bananas. So let's have a look this time. How many have I got in my first part? Let's count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I've got 4 oranges. Then I've got 1, 2 bananas. So first I've got 4 oranges plus 2 bananas. Can you say that with me? There are 4 oranges plus 2 bananas. If I put them together, let's see how many I've got. What is my equal amount? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can say that my whole is 6. So let's try that again. So if I was going to split this up and then put them together for my addition number sentence, this is what I would be saying. I would say that there are 4 oranges plus 2 bananas and they equal 6. Okay, can you say that with me? So I've got 4 oranges plus 2 bananas and they equal 6. Well done if you've got that. I'm going to use some different objects now. So I said, have a look around your house, see what you can find. And I managed to find some forks and some knives. So I'm going to choose some of these resources. Right, I'm going to use that one. I think I'll use all of those. Right, so here are my knives. So let's have a look. They've got tangled up a bit there. So I'm going to spread them out. Hopefully you can see them, but I'll point to them so that you can count along with me. So let's see how many forks I've got first, okay? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 forks. So there are 6 forks here, plus 1 knife, okay? So there are 6 forks plus 1 knife. If I put those together, what is 1 more than 6? 1 more than 6 is 7. Therefore, 6 forks plus 1 knife equals 7. Can you say that with me? 6 forks plus 1 knife equals 7. Well done. Right, I'm going to get a different amount now using my knives and forks. Here we go. Right, this time here, let's check how many of each object I've got. So here in this part, I've got 1, 2, 3 forks. So there are 3 forks. And here I've got 1, 2 knives. So I can say there are 3 forks plus 2 knives. If I put them together, I've got 3, 4, 5 objects. So it's equal to 5. So my number sentence would be 3 forks plus 2 knives is equal to 5. Can you say that with me? 3 forks plus 2 knives is equal to 5. Well done if you did that. Now I'm going to introduce something to you, okay? And if you think you're ready to have a go at putting this on a piece of paper at home, then please use it. If today you just want to use those words, then please use those phrases with your parents. So I'm still going to use my concrete resources, okay? And I'm going to show it you in a number sentence. So here I have my 3 forks just as before. So I've got 3 forks here plus 2 knives here, and together they make my whole, my equal amount, which is 5. So I'll show you that again. I've got 3 forks here plus 2 knives, and my equal amount that totals to is 5. Let me do it one more with a different amount. Here we go. So this time I've got the same object but different amounts. Can you help count how many I've got? So I've got 1 fork plus 1 knife. Can you say that? 1 fork plus 1 knife. Together they equal 1, 2. So I can say that 1 fork plus 1 knife equals 2. Can you say that? 1 fork plus 1 knife equals 2. Well done. So your job today you have a couple of tasks that you could be having a go at doing. So first of all, I want you to, like I said, find some objects. It might be fruits, vegetables, knives and forks, whatever you've got in your houses that you can use to help you with your maths today. I want you to show me some number sentences, and you might want to film yourselves saying these number sentences out loud. So I want you to be saying, first there are plus, and this is equal to. So for example, I would be saying, first there is 1 banana plus 2 oranges, and this is equal to 3. So I want you to show me how many of these number sentences you can make using the objects around your house. If you want a super challenge, then you can start using these symbols to be creating your own number sentences. Have a little go. You might want to film yourselves, or you might want to take some pictures of your learning today, but make sure that you're using those sentences and only be using amounts up to 10, so no numbers bigger than 10. Hope you get on really well, and I can't wait to see all your fab work. Bye!